Hopefully I don't hit my dogs. We are in 4 times. Oh. I got little nibbles right here. She's not really liking it. She will when we get there. Pretty much going up and to the right. Almost there. It's only 2 miles from the house. This is where it gets a little technical. Uh-oh. That's not good. Nibbles is definitely hiding. Doesn't look too bad, but it's definitely more technical than it looks. This is why I call it Crawler Canyon. You literally gotta kind of crawl. We're here. Goes a little higher, but this is definitely the right spot. There's Nibs. Nibble! Don't run away. This is the camping spot. Came from down there. And came from way down yonder where that valley is. It doesn't look very bad, but it's kind of high. And Tehachapi's over there. Probably end up camping somewhere over here.